The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Whiz. Comes with a spoolie on one side and then the pencil, which is a turn up pencil, on the other. One of the reasons why I love it is that I love that it turns up. That way you don't lose any of the product with it breaking. It also never dries out. So you can pull it up, you can roll it back down. That's great just in case you lose the top, then you can kind of throw it in your purse if you need to and not worry about damaging the product. One of the other reasons I love it is for its preciseness. That's how tiny it is. It's crazy tiny. It's not the same size as a standard eyebrow pencil. Those are a little bit chunkier, they're a little bit heavier. This gives you the perfect feather strokes when you're applying it. And I also think the pigment is excellent. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light, but it's not overt in your face. One of the thousands reasons why I love it.